Look, we have a burning platform, whether we like it or not. When you look at SMEs right throughout Europe, not just in Ireland, the order books are full, and they can't get the right people, and we're hearing the same thing over and over again. But the fundamentals of your business are under primary threat. This is driven from the top down and the bottom up. It is a mindset change. But the reality is, if you consider, for example, hearing aids in the world, they transition from traditional to additive manufacturing in about 9 months. So if you start there in January and you had a very healthy business, by October you were no longer in business. If you're not green, if you're not digital and agile, you won't be able to access the multinational partners in their supply chains. That's how quickly this is changing. A lot of our leaders want to be action-led, but equally they want to be in business in a year from now. If you're under some sort of illusion that you can continue down this path and not change significantly in the next 3 years and to still have a business, you're dreaming. Simple as that. There's massive changes coming down the road. There is investment going in right now that's helping companies to take this. IMR as part of that on the national program here. But equally, you will not be allowed to sell your product if you don't meet compliance issues here that we have coming. And all of those are digital. So there's a reality that's coming, whether we like this or not. And part of this is right now things are okay, but that is not good enough. We have a very healthy system at the moment. We're one of the highest GDP per person ratios, I think second highest in Europe, just behind Luxembourg. How are we using that advantage now if we're not transitioning our industry partners now to take advantage? Because other countries certainly are well down that road. People are not sitting on this. We seem to be a little bit latent in terms of how we're going about it. Not the fault of Enterprise R&D ASFI, for example, is a huge amount of money being put into the system to support this. The fault lies squarely with inertia inside it and our industry partners, and that has to change. When this avalanche hits, it's too late.